Looking for a safer, easier way to clean high windows and solar panels? This 32.8 feet telescopic brush is the answer. We've all been there, scrambling to clean hard-to-reach areas like solar panels, windows, and roofs. Climbing ladders can be dangerous, time-consuming, and just plain annoying. What if you could skip the hassle and clean all those tricky spots from the safety of the ground? Enter the Copgge 32.8 feet telescopic water-fed pole brush, a game-changer for anyone tired of balancing on ladders. With a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, this extendable pole lets you effortlessly clean solar panels, windows, and rooftops. Plus, it's packed with a high-quality water-fed system to make your cleaning routine easier and more effective than ever. What makes the Copgge water-fed pole brush stand out from the crowd? Its incredible 32.8 feet telescopic reach that allows you to clean higher than ever before, without ever leaving the ground. Whether it's for your solar panels, roof, or windows, this tool has got your back. The flexible rotating brush head is designed to tackle any surface at any angle, allowing you to clean every last corner with ease. And with a water hose attachment included, you'll effortlessly scrub away dirt and grime while benefiting from the pressure-driven water jets for a pristine finish. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning. Who said cleaning had to be heavy or difficult? This aluminum alloy pole is not only durable and rust-resistant but also incredibly lightweight. Each section weighs just 0.55 pounds, making it ideal for anyone, including the elderly or women. No more struggling with bulky, heavy tools. The brush head's soft bristles make it gentle on surfaces like solar panels and windows, while the 4 outlet holes deliver a steady stream of water for maximum cleaning power. With the ergonomic design, you'll have full control, even while reaching for the sky. Cleaning has never been this easy or enjoyable. Why spend hundreds on professional cleaning services when you can do it yourself in a fraction of the time, and at a fraction of the cost? The Copgge water-fed pole brush lets you clean everything from solar panels to decks, vehicles, and roofs with ease, without any expensive tools or services required. The included 65 feet water hose ensures you have plenty of reach, while the quick setup and easy assembly make it a breeze to get started. This affordable, high-quality cleaning tool will save you both time and money, all while delivering professional-level results. When you're investing in cleaning tools, you need something that can handle the toughest outdoor conditions. The Copgge water-fed pole brush was designed with durability in mind. Made from premium aluminum alloy, it's lightweight but incredibly strong, and the brass coupling ensures a secure connection to your water supply. No rust, no wear and tear, just reliable, long-lasting performance for years to come. Whether you're tackling dirty windows, grime-covered solar panels, or dust on your roof, this tool is built to take on whatever the outdoors throws at it. It's sturdy, reliable, and ready for action.